asking is if these equations are true or not true. So does the left side equal the right side? If the left side equals the right side, then it's true. If the left side does not equal the right side, then it's false. Okay? Which I'm sure you probably already know. But number 1 is the square root of a squared plus b squared. A squared plus b squared equals a plus b. All right. So, do you think, is number 1 true or false?
True.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Yeah. A.
Excellent. It is true because you can take the square root of this and it's that, right?
Yeah.
Very good. All right, so this is true. All right, number 2. Number 2 is the square root of 36 plus 64. Square root 36 plus 64 equals 6 plus 8. All right, so let's simplify this first. So what's 36 plus 64?
1.
Mm-hmm.
0. 0.
Good. All right, so on the left side we have the square root of 100 equals 6 plus 8 equals what?
1.
Uh-huh.
4.
You got it. All right. And the square root of 100 equals what?
1.
Mm-hmm.
0.
Nice, okay? So then you're left with 10 equals 14. Is that true or false?
The problem is FA.
Mm-hmm.
S. A.
Exactly. It is false. 10 does not equal 14. Okay, so we're going to say this one false because that is not right. Okay, number 3. Square root of 16x to the 4th equals 4x squared. All right, so what is the square root of 16x to the 4th? What is the square root of that?
Four.
Mm-hmm.
X.
Mm-hmm.
2.
You got it. 4x to the 2nd, okay? So 4x to the 2nd equals 4x to the 2nd. Is that true or false?
2.
Mm-hmm.
R. U. A.
Nice. Definitely true. All right, number 4 is the square root of 2x times the square root of 3y. Square root 2x times the square root of 3y equals the square root of 6xy. All right, what do you get when you multiply the square root of 2x times the square root of 3y?
Three. Times
6xy.
Y.
Mm-hmm.
6.
Square root, yep, square root of 6xy. 6xy equals square root 6xy. Is that going to be true or false? You can just do T or F.
2.
Yeah, it is true. Good. All right, there's that. Number 5. We have square root of 5x plus square root of 3x equals square root 8x. All right, what is the square root of 5x plus the square root of 3x? Sorry.
Square root
Square root of?
8 x.
You got it. All right, so if we have square root 8x on the left, square root 8x on the right, is that true or false?
2.
Yep, good job. That is true. Number 6. Square root of 4 plus n, 4 plus n, equals 2 plus square root n. Okay. So can you simplify the square root of 4 plus n? Can you simplify this square root of 4 plus n?
Y.
Okay, so what can you simplify it to? Oh, maybe this side. No, this side. I'm right, sorry.
2. Square root.
Sorry.
N.
Okay, 2 square root n. 2 square root n equals 2 plus square root n. Is that a true statement? 2 square root n equals 2 plus square root n? Is that true or false?
F.
Yep, it is false. Good job. Number 7. Okay, square root of x over 4, x divided by 4, equals square root of x divided by 2. All right, can you simplify the square root of x over 4?
Y.
Okay, what is it going to be?
4. Square root. 8.
Okay, hold on. Let me show you again. Square root of x over 4. How could you simplify that?
2. Square root.
Yep.
X.
You got it. 2 square root x. Wait. Oh, wait a second. No, you're close. You're close. The square root of x over 4. Try one more time. You're close.
Try.
Square root of.
It's got to have X. Divide by
There you go.
2.
Yeah. Now you got it.
Good job,
Okay,
Siri.
so square root x divided by 2 equals square root x divided by 2. Is that true or false?
That's it, T.
Yep, it is true. Good job. Okay, this one is true. Oh, we're on the last one. Good. Okay, 8. Square root of 3 halves, square root 3 divided by 2, equals square root 6 divided by 2. All right. So let me ask you this. Can you simplify the square root of 3 divided by 2? Can you simplify that?
N. O.
No, you can't. Right, exactly. All right, how about this one? Square root of 6 divided by 2. Can you simplify that?
Okay, N. O.
No, you can't. So, you can't simplify either one of these. So does the square root of 3 halves equal the square root of 6 divided by 2? No, it doesn't.
Oh, no.
Good job. So it's false. If it's no, it's false, right? All right, that's it. You got them all right. Nice work. Okay. Let's do this. I'm gonna put a box around the answers. Let's see. Well, those, I guess I'll put a box around this. And okay, we'll put, and then I'll put rational or irrational by them, okay? This. This one you just had to keep the same. Okay, so I'm going to go through and ask you rational or irrational, okay? A plus B, is that, you can just put R or I. Is that rational or irrational?
My turn.
Yes. Okay, so I'm going to put R. So R equals rational. IR equals irrational. Okay, good. All right, how about 10 and 14? Are those rational or irrational?
Right.
Yep, they're both rational. Good. Both. Okay, how about 4x squared? Well, and 4x squared, they're the same, but.
Yeah, why?
Yep, they're rational. You're right. Okay. All right, square root of 6xy. Is that R or I? Rational or irrational?
I.
Yep, it's irrational. Both are equal. So, all right, square root of 8x. They're the same. Irrational or rational?
I.
Yep, you got it. Okay. All right, and then 2 square root of n or 2 plus square root of n. They're both the same answer. Rational or irrational? Yep, they're both irrational. Okay, and then x, square root of x divided by 2. Square root of x divided by 2. Yep. These are irrational. I mean, we don't know what x is, right? But if x was a square, would it be rational or irrational? Yeah, it would be rational, but we don't know the value, so we're just going to assume it's irrational. That's what I would do too. So you understand the concept. Okay, square root of 3 divided by 2 or square root of 6 divided by 2, rational or irrational numbers? You got it. Okay, so these are both irrational. So I'm going to just make a note. Well, let's see. Well, she'll see it in the video that we're assuming that these are irrational because we don't know the values of x or y, but because they have the square root, we're just going to assume that. Okay?
Okay.
Just like you said. I like it. Good. Done with math. All right. Thank you.